Hello guys, give me 1 second. It's gonna be a big day. We have the oven smoking. I'm gonna put this in the car. I'm gonna explain you today is a big day. I mean, take a look. The dough getting ready. But the most important thing, take a look guys. The big oven is warming it up. We're gonna drive to Los Angeles guys, and this video is gonna be this video is gonna be about the behind the scenes of how I made the pizza for Chef Rush and how I made this fantastic viral video. Ready to go in the oven. It's one shot. Jeez, here we go.
Are you serious?
No way, Chef, I can't. It's against my religion. What? It's against my religion. Well, I'm gonna protect my pizza.
You can't put it like that.
I can't. Okay, Chef. Right now, I'll put it on.
About. This is up. Come on down.
I'm coming, Chef. So let's go ahead. Come with me. Come, let's go. Let's try. Okay guys, we just arrived on the location. We just parked here. I'm gonna go ahead and right away we need to have the oven ready to be able to make those videos. So let's go ahead, let's fire up the oven, then let's go ahead and let's meet Chef Rush. And guys, I forgot to say, I have a special gift that I'm gonna give it to him and see how the reaction, how it's going to be. So I'm gonna go ahead and meet him right now. And finally, here we are.
Here we are.
Chef Rush.
My man right here. The pizza guy.
the video that we did last time was the super viral.
Yeah, I know.
100 million views or something.
Like, wow, crazy.
I have a gift for you.
Oh.
Lightweight.
Like stuff, you know?
Oh. You need a beer, man. But look at this. Custom.
Oh,
Chef Rush. Chef Rush.
I love this, man. Thank you. Thank
Chef
you.
Rush. This is a unique peel.
Thank you, bro.
They customized it for me.
Appreciate that.
And then a t-shirt from me. But I don't even know if it's gonna fit you. Extra large.
Extra large. I'll be.
It's tight. The dough is almost ready, just in time. Pizza, everybody gives you knives.
They know
I give you a peel.
Knives.
Guys, I'm getting ready to shoot the first video, which is gonna be insane. This is the first video. It's gonna be I'll show you right now, really quick. I'm ready. I'm gonna make you the best pizza you ever had tasted in your life.
Are you serious? I'm ready.
All right. This is gonna be the Chef Rush pizza. Perfect Neapolitan pizza. Tomato sauce, the basil, the fresh mozzarella.
What's taking so long?
Take it easy. It's a real pizza, man. I'm putting my love into it. We also have the peel ready to go in the oven. One shot. So amazing. So soft and crunchy in the same time. Basil to be more authentic. A little bit of olive oil. It's gonna go crazy for this pizza. Chef, the pizza is ready.
Finally.
Jeez. Here we go.
Are you serious?
I'm going to do a video with a pizza with this peel, and then I'm gonna give it to him, and then he's gonna be eating the pizza like a chewing gum, and then something is gonna happen. You're gonna see this on my page. Tomato sauce, fresh mozzarella. I'm gonna make you the best pizza you ever had taste in your life. The pizza, it's ready. Here we go. Amazing. Bye. Chef, the pizza is ready. I'll bring it to you. Don't worry, I'll bring it to you. Here we go.
Are you serious?
Let's go. That's good. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
So you see what I'm doing, right? So you should be a different scene. You'll be outside. I can't do this, but I know who can. Hey, what's up, brother?
How you doing?
I'm good. I am here, right now. You know what I need?
What's up?
A pizza.
A pizza.
And you're the only one that can do it.
Good, I'm coming.
I need
I'm
you
on the way already.
right now.
Okay, I'm running.
Jeez. Get here. Hey, chef.
I'm in.
Everything's right here. Let's go.
I'm ready, bro. Let's go. Fast, the authentic Neapolitan pizza. 3 ingredients: tomato sauce, basil, and fresh mozzarella.
Hey, whoa. What's up?
What's up? No, don't wait, chef. I can't. It's against my religion.
What?
It's against my religion. Well, I'm gonna protect my
You can't put it like that.
I can't. Okay, chef. Right now, I'll put it on. I'll put it on, okay?
Pineapple pizza.
Is that good?
More.
Oh my God. Sure, I'm coming. I'm on my way already.
I need you right now.
Okay, I'm running. Oh yeah, I'm bad. Let's go.
All right, let's do more.
Vai, action. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's cook it in the oven. What's up, chef? What's up?
Pineapple.
No way, chef. I can't. It's against my religion.
What?
It's against my religion.
Pineapple.
Let's do the. Guys, behind the scenes here, we actually going to put pineapple on the pizza. That's gonna be fun. That's a good pineapple, though.
It is. It's fresh.
That's
Smell
it.
it.
Okay, chef. I'll put it on. I'll put it on. Okay.
Pineapple pizza.
Okay. This was all fake, by the way. I'm taking off the pineapple from the pizza because the pineapple, chef, doesn't belong on the pizza. I want to make sure you know. I didn't put. I'm gonna go ahead and cook this pizza, by the way.
So you're right. Pineapple doesn't belong on the pizza.
Top class.
So?
See. Hey guys, we're about to shoot the video number 3, which is the most interesting one. Okay, let's go. So I'm gonna go outside, and then with the oven in my hands, knock on the door, and that's it. That's on you. Chef, I'm ready. I got even the oven for you to make a real, authentic Neapolitan style.
Not with this little thing. We need big.
You
I said
sure?
a big Napoleon pizza. Wait right here. I'll be right back. Pizza. Vito, this is what I'm talking about. This is oven. Come on down.
I'm coming, chef. That's insane.
Now you can make a real Napoleon pizza.
Tomato sauce. Olive oil. And now we cook it for 90 seconds. Ooh. Here, chef, the pizza, it's ready.
Soft
And crunchy. Chef, I'm ready. I got even the oven for you. Okay, we're going downstairs with Chef Rush because, hey, chef, what's your shit? Look at this.
Well, yours bigger.
No man, I lost weight.
What kind of pizza you been rolling?
I lost weight.
Brick pizza? A brick oven?
I lost weight. It's about to see what real pizza is, but the oven needs to be in temperature. This is gonna be the fun part. So we start from your biceps, and then I go back here, and then I go. You tell me when. 1, 2. Okay, action. 2, 3. Okay, let's go.
Vito, this is what I'm talking about. This is oven. Come on down. It's a hot thing.
Time to make pizza.
Time to make pizza.
Okay, so guys, it's time to make the pizza, the actual video. That's where everything happened. So we're gonna get ready. We got the semolina. I got Chef Rush peel here. Then we got fresh mozzarella that we already shot the video. Fresh tomato. And then, of course, for Neapolitan pizza, you must have fresh basil. Know what I'm saying? Show my friend Vincent there. He brought me some wood and some basil. Chef, are you ready to taste the real pizza?
Of course I'm ready.
Let's put the wood on the side. Okay, stop at that. I'm gonna go ahead and test the oven. Just make one really quick. Stretch. A little bit of olive oil. This way, if it's good, we eat it. Make a couple of rolls. Let's test this pizza. check the bottom, how is it?
Smells so
Fuck. Okay, you guys can eat this one. I'm gonna make the video. Chef, this is your first time tasting a pizza, like cooking in this way on the street in a wood burning oven, like Italian style.
Yeah, first time.
I wanna see. How is that? So, okay, here we go, guys. Qua. Qua, qua. Tomato sauce. With a little spoon. Fermo, non di mo'. Oh, aspetta, non stoppare. And then olive oil. Va registrando. Pinch it. And now we go in the oven. And now we cook it for 90 seconds. Only 90 seconds, chef. Ooh. Now we check if it's soft and it's crunchy. 1, 2. Oh, chef, maybe we ended up this video by saying soft and crunchy. Here, chef, the pizza, it's ready.
You know what? I like to pull on a pizza.
Yeah.
I like it. So we gotta eat the pizza.
Yeah, let's see that. This is the pizza. Can I get a bite?
Soft.
And crunchy. Fucking hot. That's hot.
Parking lot pizza. Tell me.
You like it like that?
Good. Even ragu. The cheese, you know, fresh favorite.
Okay, guys, everything is done. It's like 6:30 p.m. We got ready this morning. Crazy. And then now I'm going to drop off the pizza oven to a party for Drake that I have. And so excited. Tomorrow is gonna be a big day. So I'm searching for the address. It's gonna be Pali State somewhere. Cannot really say where. This is my Dave, and this is the video with Chef Rush. And please, guys, if you wanna see those 3 videos that we shot, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Vito Iacopelli. Thank you so much, guys. If you like those kind of videos, behind the scenes, please tell me in comments. I love to hear and see your comments. Thank you so much. I'll see you every week with new video. Ciao.